Okay, now let's see what happened next. My, what a tantrum, she thought as she put her dolls to bed. Has no one taught the dragon how to behave? I wonder who looks after it. Maybe it's just lonely. She would often wonder about the dragon. The more she thought about it, the more she felt that the dragon was really lonely. One day, Meeling's mother asked her, "You will be 6 years old soon. Whom would you like to invite to your birthday party?" So now our Milling is going to turn 6. Her birthday is coming soon. So her mother asked, "Okay, my dear child, now it's going to be 6. Now, whom shall I call you? Or whom shall I call to home for your birthday?" So let's see who is going to come. So Milling is telling, "I'll invite all my family and friends, and I'll ask the dragon as well," she announced, and she started climbing the mountain to invite the dragon. Come back, you crazy girl!" yelled her mother. "The dragon will kill you." When Milling was halfway up the mountain, there was a huge roar. From where she stood, Milling could hear some of the words the dragon was roaring out. So now Milling is going to invite Dragon for her birthday. So her mother was yelling. What do you mean by yelling? Her mother was crying loud, asking Millie to come back. So Milling, just half away from the mountain, she heard a huge roar. From where she stood, she could hear some of the words the dragon was roaring. "I live, I alone." So, from this, what did you understand? Yes, the dragon was all alone. So, our Milling was guessing correct work, right? Okay. "I'm the dragon," asked Stone. There was a rush of the hot stones down the mountain, and Milling ran back home. "I hope that taught you to listen to your elders," scolded her mother. So, seeing that Milling running back home, her mother told her, "See, I told you first of all that you should listen to your elders." The next day, Milling's father said, "Milling, would you like to add anyone's name to your birthday list?" "Well, I want to add the dragon's name," declared Milling, and set up the mountain once more. "Come back, you stupid silly girl," roared her father. "The dragon will pick you up and carry you away." But Milling wouldn't come down. She had almost reached the top. Now she could see something. So, what might be that view? So, what happened here now? Father asked Milling, should he add someone else to her birthday party? So, Milling was telling, "Okay, I want to add Dragon to my birthday party." But don't you think it's quite crazy to invite a dragon to your birthday party? Are you planning to invite someone like that? Okay, so now let's see what she saw there. Now she could see the enormous dragon with its huge tail. It was thumping its tail and belting out a fearful song. "You dare not roam near my home. I am the dragon, breathing fire and stone." So the dragon is telling, "You dare not roam near my home." So what do you mean by that? Dragon is telling, "Never ever come near my place. I am a dragon, breathing fire and stone." So the dragon is trying to frighten our Milling. So now what you have to do is Read the chapter till this paragraph, that is till page number. Tell me which is the page number. Check. Till page number 19. Yes. So till page number 19, till dragon breathing fire and stone, you have to read. Find out the difficult words. Whenever you are sitting and reading English, keep your dictionary along with you. Is that clear to you? So kindly read it, and if you are willing to find out the next part of the story, kindly read the rest one also. So at least 3 times you have to read this. Understood? Okay.